Bless you. Bless you.
Her teeth get all crunchy. You over?
Oh my goodness. Oh.
This is actually kind of sad. I need a